wonderful evening and a lot of stuff to follow as well after the speech. It's a short talk. I just want to welcome all of you, and I just want to give you my impression about my tenure from 2023 and till today, I suppose, 2023 and 24. Now, I was initially skeptical of taking up the presidency of NAMM, and I was wondering why did I do it. But in hindsight, I'm so happy that I did it. And it's a challenge, it's definitely, but also along with that, cozy organizations like NAMM give an opportunity to children to perform, for adults, for self-expression, and leadership skills as well, to understand the community. And what could be a better opportunity than this, So I would strongly encourage people to be a part of NAMM as well. When I became the president, I also wanted to leave a legacy. And that was very important to me. And when I thought of what kind of legacy I wanted to leave, the one thing I did want to leave is no friction within the team. And I think I achieved that legacy. All my team members will be, my friends for the rest of my life. I know that. And the other thing I wanted to achieve was oneness in the community. We have a lot of organizations who achieve and try and do different things, but oneness, we are all one. We are a vibrant Malayali community. We should be really thankful that we have all these associations, each representing a different taste in society. And we coming together as a Malayali community is really something worth, it's really something amazing and worth talking about. Now, otherwise loneliness is another aspect of American society, and I think socializing and these are the opportunities we get, and I'm grateful for that. Now, what did we do in the 2 years? We began our program on February 2023 with an inauguration, something similar to this, but it was a Valentine's Day theme, and we celebrated that. Then we also had a wonderful Onam celebration. It was over the top. We had it in a beautiful location with Mudukar. He was the guest of honor. It was traditionally celebrated with Sadhya. We've had Vishu programs, we've had picnic, holiday parties. Everything is an excuse to get together. The most important thing, and over the top, was the NAMM Excellence Award. Those of you who attended will know about it. That was amazing. And there's a lot of hard work which goes behind organizing all these events. It's not easy to organize, it's not easy to invite people, it's not easy to do these things. So I think, we should be proud of ourselves for having done all this, and I'm extremely proud of my team. Now I will mention some names, and I think all of you know who they are. Madhavan Nayak, of course, I have to talk about him. He's been the great motivator, the patron, an amazing supporter, inspiration behind NAMM. Now, the funny thing is that what I like best about him is not all these things, but when I have a talk on the phone with him or I meet him in person, there's always a philosophical quip. And that's what engages me most about Mr. Madhavan Nayak. And thank you for that. The second, of course, my vice president, he's outside, but he better come in. I hope he can hear me. Pradeep Menon. He's always been my right hand, my left hand, all my hands. Every time I have an issue, he's there for me. Please raise your hand. And he's always been there for me. And he's a calm person, so he always encourages at any telephone call or anything. Namit, the treasurer, he watches everything like a hawk. Every cent coming and going, he watches like a hawk. and he did an amazing job as a treasurer. He is a treasure. And Suja Nair, the secretary, raise your hand and stand up, please. I know you'll be coming here shortly. But Suja Nair, she's a lovely person. She's very talkative. I love to talk to her. She does all her work, whatever's assigned. And I also realized after she joined NAMM that she is my cousin as well. So, her husband, Abhi Shirokar, cannot forget him. He's my cute little brother. And he's an amazing guy. He actually helps her a lot. And he helps NAMM behind the scenes. Cultural Secretary, please stand up. Rekha Nair, of course. And she is, where is Rekha? And she's amazing in the sense she does wonders with cultural activities and youth activities all the time. Her, I wouldn't say colleague, but Vidya Sudhi, she's yet to come, I think. I'm sure she will be coming. She's amazing too in the sense every time I call her, need something, it's always in the affirmative, always a quick reply back, and I really appreciate you reply back quickly, especially with messages and WhatsApp. Thank you. I do want to mention Lata Nair. Lata, she's here. I hope she's not outside. But she did our sponsorship program. Okay. And it was amazing. Under her leadership, we also gave away 1,000 pounds of clothing to the needy. And that was an amazing job she did. I do, of course, Gitesh, always been there since 2010, veteran of NAMM. Karthik Sridhar, he was there with our website, and he's a taskmaster when it comes to talking about ticketing and all that. And of course, Malini and Sajid, he's looking at the phone right now. Okay, never mind. Mr. Syriac, always there. Every meeting, whether it's in India or abroad or whether it's in US, he always attends and, to organize functions. And Bindu and Priya, they are moving on to take up different positions in NAMM. So thank you for all your efforts. Thank you for backing me. Thank you for being there. And I will be rooting for the next team all the time. And for Mr. Madhu Nair. Thank you very much.